Nice Wrangler shirt, super cool pattern, pearl snap, only $7. I'll probably list this for like. Alright, we got this pair of cool pants. I want $8 for it. It's the Rider pants, so cool Rider. Here's the size. Currently 9 listed in the size. There's 8 sold. Looks like they go for about $40 shipped around. So yeah, it's a no-brainer for $8. It's a good pickup. Guys, look how crazy this thing is. Patches all over. I want $15 for it, but it is new with tags. The sell-through rate on it, oh, you guys can't see that. There it is. The sell-through rate on it wasn't very good, but couldn't really find any new ones, and some of them were going used for like 100, so I figured I'll wait for a good price. It's new with tags, so I think it's worth it. This thing is awesome. It's like a vintage Polo Ralph Lauren 2XL, like thick neck sweater. Super cool. I actually have no idea how much they go for, but I'd imagine over 50, but I have really no idea how high it could go. Gotta do more research. So if you know, or if you have an idea of what you would list it for, let me know. Then we have this Patagonia Capilene sweater. Pretty sweet. They want $7 for it, should go for like over $30. Oh yeah, they want $8 for that sweater. Go barefoot, size XL is good size, only $5. And it's a really good pattern, so yeah, probably list it for like 20 plus shipping. Same thing with this bamboo K. Sell this brand all the time. $5, another, $20 plus $6 shipping list, so nice little bread and butter items. Alright, keep in mind, guys, with those items that I said I list for like $20 plus shipping, $19.99 plus $6 shipping, they don't always go for that price. Of course, I'm accepting offers. A lot of times I'll get offers of like $17, $15. And if it's been sitting around for a while, I'll go as low as $12 or even like $8. If it's really old and I'm trying to get rid of it, $8 plus $6 shipping, that's $14. So $5 into, a couple dollars profit. That's just the way, running a business is sometimes. You got to get rid of stuff and not accept the full profit. So just keep that in mind if you're new. I'm not always getting $26. That's just what I list it for. Some of them go for full price. A lot of them go for around $15 plus $6, so about $21 shipped. And then, anything after that, the longer they stay, the lower I'll accept on offers and whatnot, and I'll send out offers and I'll lower the price and all that. So just something to keep in mind. This is also pretty good brand, Black Clover, good size, 2XL. That's what the back looks like. They want $5 for it, pretty good. I actually don't know what these go for. I've never sold their polos. I've sold their like shirts and like, I don't know, more like outdoorsy clothing, but just for a polo, I don't really know what these go for, but it's usually a pretty good brand. So if I had to guess, like 25 plus shipping. So I would think like over $30 shipped. So we'll see. Here's a bunch of figs items. I want $7. There's a bunch of them here. Got 4 total. And I also have a couple tops. Again, 4 of them. These are only $5. So nice little bread and butter item. I usually list them for like $22 plus $6 shipping. Then just kind of take whatever offer come in. Set the rate's okay. It's not crazy, but just a nice little bread and butter item. And there's a bunch of them here, so I just create one listing, and then I can just add in a bunch of listings and basically just change the custom SKU, and yeah, super easy listing. Kind of nice Wrangler shirt, super cool pattern, pearl snap, only $7. I'll probably list this for like $50 plus shipping. See what kind of offers come in. Pretty awesome. And then also we have this Hop shirt, super cool. It says medium, but a good pattern. And I want $5. Probably list this for like 22 plus $6 shipping. Yeah, good stuff. All right, got lots of stuff here to pick a few pieces out and show you guys. All right, I have a bunch of items, but I'm just gonna go through like maybe half of them. This is a new one for me. Oh no, not this one. This is a Banana Republic travel jeans. These do pretty well. I'm just going for like $30, $35, like plus shipping. So for $8, that's a no-brainer. This one's like mint condition too. Good size. I kept one of these the other week, my size. Could keep this one if I want, but I don't really like the color. This one's a new one for me. Peter Manning. I looked it up. Seems like Thrift's decent, and they go for decent money. I'll show you guys in a sec. But there's one. I was gonna get rid of this one. It's 2, 3, 4, 5 more. So it looks like there's 71 currently listed. And 71 sold. So a lot of them are going for around like $40 plus shipping. So yeah, got 5 of them, pretty good. Really my savior for the day. Pretty crazy. I've sold these for a long time, and plus there's not a great brand, but these Paisley ones do pretty well. I used to not picking them up for $7, but I'm going to. They seem to sell pretty quickly for me. It's a size large. It's just nice and crisp, good Paisley pattern. I've never heard of these before, but they're both new tags, so I looked them up, and they're going to be long tail items. The Thrift's not great. They want $8, but they were going for decent money. Yeah, around like $40 shipped or $40 plus shipping mark. So that one's interesting. This one's a little more plain, but I'll still pick it up. It's new, and I might have to sit on it for a while, but I'll make decent money on it. Don't pick up too many of these. The price is okay. It's a good size. Size XL. It's just a nice thick, like this is called like a herringbone pattern. And it's just nice and crisp, perfect condition. If it had any sort of wear, I wouldn't pick it up. But whenever items are like perfect, I'm more inclined to give it a shot. Robert Graham, no brainer. This one's not super interesting. It's just like a striped pattern, but it is 2XL. Yeah, $7, not bad. I'll probably list it for like 30 plus shipping, and then I don't think it'll go for that much. I'll probably have to accept an offer on it, but that's alright. Shouldn't take too long, so. Nice little Lulu, $7. 3 little stitches I knew right away. Of course, you can look on the back. Find that. And then usually the size is like in here. There. Medium. Perfect condition. I don't remember what these go for. I know Lulu's like consistently going downhill, but men's is still pretty good. Maybe 30 plus shipping, I'm not sure, but it'll sell really quickly. This is a new one for me. Thrift wasn't bad. There was a new one and a used one. I'm gonna pick this one up because it's new with tags and give it a shot. And I decided to pass on the used one, but yeah, I should be able to get like 22 plus shipping. So kind of won't allow for it, $7, but have a cool little shirt. Yeah, that's it. I got some more bread and butter stuff, but that's all I wanted to show you. But yeah, for all these Peter Manning pants, they only want $5, so super cheap price. Got 2 Orvis pieces here. I think these are like older models, super cool. Well, $8 for it. This one's pretty much like new, and then this one actually is new, so pretty awesome. It's got the nice elbow patches. Super cool. Nice thick quality Orvis sweater. These things are heavy. Royal Robin's, pretty good brand. Insect Shield. Medium, not the best size, but kind of want $7 for it, which is kind of a lot, but the pattern's so good that I'm gonna pick it up. Nice invented outdoor shirt. We got a nice little REI shirt. Nothing crazy, but it is new with tags. And then about $5, so I think it's worth it. I would just list it for like $20 plus shipping. I'll probably list that for like, I don't know, maybe 24 plus shipping, then take whatever offer comes in. It's just such a cool pattern. We have 2 pairs here, black diamond pants, size 34. There's some nice pairs in my size. I might try these on. $7 for them. Let's check them out. There's currently 46 listed in this size. $14 sold, it looks like, but prices are pretty good. 30 plus shipping, 34 plus shipping, 40 plus shipping. Seems worth it. Let's pick both of them up. Then here we have half-cuff shorts for $3. Nice little fishing shorts. Probably list them for like 20 plus 6 shipping. Should sell quick. I'm gonna pick up this Spider. It's like a cable knit sweater. I want $7 for it, but I mean, this one sold for 40, 60 plus shipping. So it's another 40. So seems to be not bad. I think there was like 30 listed with 20 sold. So not bad. It was almost perfect, but had this little fray in the back, so I gotta pass, unfortunately. There's Levi's 501s, which are pretty good. It's not a good size, 42, 32. It's a big size, but the purple color's pretty awesome. They only want 7. Ariat shirt, always good. They want $10 for it, but the XLT size is like 100% sell-through rate. So same, I'll probably list it for like 30 plus shipping. It's just like in perfect mint condition. I'm kind of trying to like stay away from J. Jill, but it's a size XL and it's 100% linen, and it's got these nice like embellishments on it. So I think it's just got a lot of things going for it. And $7, kind of a lot, but I'm gonna take a chance on it. I think it has a lot of good features. Kind of a slow selling brand, but I only want $5. Nice pearl snap. It's in like perfect condition. Size large, decent size. So just because it's imperfect, if it was at all like worn or anything, I wouldn't pick it up. But because it's like pretty crisp, I'm gonna pick it up. Probably list it for like 22 plus $6 shipping. I'm gonna pick up these vintage chairs as well. There's like a 2 pair of green and the blue, and they like fold out, so you can like lay down on them. And they're $5 each. Probably list them for like $50 on Facebook Marketplace. Kind of cool. Wash them off, sell them. Pretty sweet. All right, we are back. I need to get everything listed, shipped out. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. So thank you guys for your support. I really need a haircut. It's looking pretty crazy, but you know, now that I'm on camera more, maybe I need to get more haircuts. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Have a good day.